Welcome to the introduction for Everybody Loves Zombies. I'm Spencer with Wintersong Media, and I'm going to give a quick 1-minute summary of the game's skill system. You can find out more at the link in the description. Everybody Loves Zombies' skill system is how the storyteller and players interact with the environment of the game world. Whenever a challenging situation arises, the storyteller may ask for a roll from a player or even make one themselves. These rolls are called skill tests, and they're not against the static challenge difficulty. Instead, they're a head-to-head roll that both the storyteller and the players get involved in, have advantages and disadvantages to gain the upper hand and win the skill test. Other players can even get involved with skills like teamwork and leadership. In addition to this system, there's another one called Hell Yeah or Oh Shit, and these dice take away from and add to the player or storyteller's dice pool and swing the chance of them winning closer to their side. This has been a brief introduction to the skill system in Everybody Loves Zombies, and I hope to see you in the next video.